Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the frame where the button lives, select the button layer and check its structure. Group or convert the button into a component so states stay consistent. This matters because components carry overrides and make prototyping predictable. Once grouped, add a clear name like button/primary so you can find it fast. Next, create or show the destination frame that the button will link to, because you want to wire a real target rather than a placeholder. You move to the Prototype tab and click the button to reveal the interaction node. Drag that node to the destination frame to establish a connection. Then choose the trigger, on click for desktop, on tap for mobile, and pick an animation type like Instant, Dissolve, or Smart Animate. Smart Animate interpolates matching layers for smooth motion, so make sure names and layer hierarchy match across frames. Finally, set the duration and easing to control You now test the prototype by entering present mode and clicking or tapping the button. Observe the transition and timing. If nothing happens, make sure the prototype connection actually points to the desired frame and that the trigger is correct. If animations stutter, verify that matching layer names exist and remove conflicting auto layout overrides. Once done, check any external links by opening the prototype link in a browser, and make sure URLs start with HTTPS so they load.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.